Welcome back to Globe Trekker's Lightweight Overland Camper Series Build Part 2. Last time we concluded with this.
Well guys, it is now 1 hour in, just 1 hour, and this is how far we've gotten in just 1 hour.
Now let's continue the build and see how far we can get on this one-day build. Always remember to test fit your extrusions without glue applied. Seal the inside corners. Run 4 beads of Sikaflex. Prep the top of the T-wall with 8 beads of Sikaflex in the extrusion. Apply adhesives anywhere where extrusions will touch other extrusions. If you inadvertently forget to caulk where the extrusions meet in a corner, fix the deficiency before continuing. Always double check your buddy. These panels have been scuffed, air blown for dust removal, and cleaned with an alcohol wipe. Use a ratchet strap to pull things into place if you have a stubborn panel with sticky adhesives.
That's yours? Yep. All right. I'm seated. I am too. Okay. This is that.
Install the corner bracket tie downs by sliding the two 80-20 hammer nuts inside the extrusion rail. Complete the installation as shown. Ensure to use a square to square off this corner. Then tighten the 80-20 bolts.
These extrusions have just been wiped down. And Bill's doing the corners. Well, it is now 10 minutes to 10. So that's what, an hour and 50 minutes. And we're that far. We're just about ready to put up the sidewalls.
Sidewalls!
It's simple, right? We are a little sweaty though.
It's a little muggy. 80 degrees supposed to be today, yeah.
It's muggy today.
Yeah.
I just came back from Flagstaff to the expo and it was a dry heat there. So this is not fun.
It's fun.
Next time on Globe Trekker's epic one-day build of the lightweight Overland Camper Series build, we get some walls up.
March is looking good. We're coming up on a nominal. Okay, our flight controller has got it up and landing. Retro.